On Sunday, September 28, 2025, Russia unleashed one of its largest aerial assaults since the war began, firing more than 600 drones and missiles across Ukraine. The massive barrage, ordered by President Vladimir Putin, struck cities across the country, including the capital Kyiv, hitting residential areas, medical facilities, and vital infrastructure. Ukrainian officials confirmed dozens injured and several killed, including children. Kyiv endured the heaviest assault. At least 4 people were killed, among them a 12-year-old girl. More than 15 sites were struck, including a 5-story apartment building that partially collapsed, sparking fires across residential courtyards. In Zaporizhzhia, over 24 buildings were damaged and 27 people wounded, including children. Other regions, Khmelnytsky, Sumy, Mykolaiv, Chernihiv, and Odessa, also reported casualties and widespread destruction of homes, kindergartens, factories, and health centers. The scale of the Russian long-range aviation prompted swift action from neighboring Poland. Polish fighter jets were scrambled and air defense systems activated to secure its skies. Portions of Polish airspace along the Ukrainian border were temporarily closed. NATO forces also responded. Dutch F-35s and German Patriot systems were placed on high alert. While no violations of Polish airspace were reported, officials stressed these steps were preventive measures to protect NATO territory and citizens. This incident marks a major escalation in the conflict. As Russia intensifies aerial attacks, NATO states along Ukraine's borders brace for potential spillover, raising fears of a wider confrontation. Kyiv and Zaporizhzhia bore the brunt of this latest assault, but the nationwide scale of destruction left scars across Ukraine. With no signs of de-escalation, the question now looms: how much further could this conflict spread?